Tired of Adobe Creative Cloud acting up? Let's dive into clearing the cache, a quick fix that can solve a whole bunch of problems right within the Creative Cloud app itself. First, make sure your Creative Cloud desktop app is open. You can usually find it in your taskbar, dock, or by searching your operating system. Up in the very top right corner, next to your profile picture, click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, click Preferences. It's how you get to the settings of the Creative Cloud app. Now, the Preferences window will pop up. You'll see several tabs, but we're looking for the Creative Cloud section. Usually on the left side, or sometimes in a centered section. Click on Creative Cloud. Within the Creative Cloud settings, look for the App section. Inside that section, you want to find the Cache section. You should see an option that allows you to clear cache. Click the Clear Cache button. You'll likely get a confirmation message. Confirm the action. The app will then begin clearing the cache. And that's it. You've cleared the cache. Close the Preferences window and try using the Creative Cloud app or the specific Adobe application that was giving you trouble. Doing this is a simple step in troubleshooting, and it can often resolve performance issues or glitches.